English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 3. Number 15. There are 24 mangoes and 105 lychees in a basket. Number 1. What is the maximum number of students among whom the mangoes and lychees can be divided equally? And number 2. How many mangoes and lychees will be get each student? Let's see. If we CDC, the maximum student GCD equal to 42 and 105 equal to we can 42 if we 2 into 3 into 7 equal to 42 and 3 into 5 into 7 equal to 100. Then Z is equal to 3 and 7 because 3 and 7 is the common both into, that means 3 into 7 equal to 21 students. That means students, we need 21 students for divided 42 mangoes and 105 lychees are equally. Then number 2, they want to know number 2, how many mangoes will be get each student, how many lychees and mango will be get each student. Then mango, how many mango? 24 mango, 24 mango, 21 42 mango, 21 student divided 2 mango and 105 lychees, 21 student divided by 5. Answer: 2 mangoes and 5 lychee will be get each student. Thank you.